Hello students, today we have started another chapter solution and the topic is molarity, molality and mole fraction. First of all we know about the molarity. Student, molarity means the number of mole of solute dissolved in a solution. How much mole of solute dissolved in solution is known as molarity. So it is the number of moles of solute dissolved in solution bracket में in liter means solution should be in liter. It is represented by capital M. The molarity is represented by capital M, so M is equal to number of moles to the volume and the unit is mole per liter. Now again we know that the number of mole is also represented as given mass upon molar mass. So the molarity become molarity is equal to N upon V equals to given mass upon molar mass into volume. If volume is in ml, then what we do? Now the molarity become M is equal to W into 1000 upon M dash into capital V. So this is the formula of molarity and the unit is mole per liter. So basically what is molarity? Molarity means the number of mole of solute dissolved in a solution. The solution should be in liter. One thing in mind, the molarity should change. The molarity of solution, the molarity of solution can be changed with changing temperature. If we change the temperature, then the molarity of the solution also change. Now our next topic is molality. Molality. It is represented by small m and it is also the number of mole of solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. Now the difference is molarity dissolved in 1 liter volume while the molarity dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. Molarity is 1 kg of solvent or M is equal to number of moles upon given mass. W is a mass of the solvent. Now the again number of moles is given mass upon molar mass into, first the formula is mole per kg is the unit. Mole per kg is the unit, or if W is in gram, then molarity equals to given mass into 1000 upon M dash into capital W. Capital W represent as the mass of the solvent. Here small w equals to mass of solute, capital W mass of solvent, M dash molar mass of solute. So basically the difference of molarity and molality is that molarity is dissolve the solute in volume while the molarity is dissolve the solute in kg. Now the third one topic is mole fraction. mole fraction is the ratio of number of moles of solute or solvent to total moles of solution.